Hey guys, I just received the Steeldive SD1953 gray on gray on a Jubilee bracelet. I've got an unboxing and review video up on my channel if you want to check that out. But I thought I would throw this on the Timegrapher just to see how the Seiko NH35 works out. So let me get it set up and I'll be right back. Okay, I gave the watch a good winding. I've got it in a dial-up position. I've got my lift angle set to 53 degrees, which I believe is correct for this NH35 movement. And we're seeing a beat error of 0.3 milliseconds, a rate of +2 seconds per day, and an amplitude of 273 degrees. Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Let's try a different position. Now I have it at a 12 o'clock downward position. So the beat error did improve, but we're running at a slower rate, -8 seconds per day. Let's try another position. Now I have a crown down position. Beat error is actually 0. +4 seconds per day, 250 degree amplitude. Well, that just jumped to -9 seconds. -3. -6. Let's try a different position. Now I have dial down position. Beat error 0.3 milliseconds. Rate +1, +3 seconds per day. Amplitude 283. So this watch doesn't seem like it's far out. Possibly I could reduce the beat error, maybe a little closer to 0. I believe I can adjust that on this movement. But I think what I'll do is just wear this for a week or two and see how it does before I do any regulation. Thanks for watching.